Hey, do you want to create a scrolling animation, a text scrolling, or images, or anything you want to scroll on? Let's say if someone is scrolling and you want to move any scrolling animations, then this video is for you. So let me show you how I did it in Wix Studio. It's very easy and simple animation. So as soon as I'm scrolling, as you can see, the text is coming from the left hand side and moving towards the right hand side. As you can see, I'm scrolling and the animation was doing its work. I'm sure you might have came across the sites on Awwwards or any websites. These days they are using these kind of animations a lot. These creative agencies on Awwwards are using these animations a lot in their clients project, and you can do that for your clients as well. So how I did it, it's very easy and simple. Here I have a text which is way long. If you can see here, it's a long text here, and here in the layers panel, on the text itself, I'm moving it. If I come to this animation part in on scroll, I'm moving that. So if I go to this animation here, it's the text and the animation type is in. So if I'm coming into this animation, it starts playing, right? And I'm using the properties. The preset is move, and inside that, if I go to the edges animation settings of the animations, from left hand side to the right hand side, right, the angle moving in, right, from left to right. So I'm using 270 degree. From 270 degree means the left hand side to the right hand side. The distance is 30%. If I make it, let's say 50%, the distance, it will move to the 51, right? So let me reset to the 31, and the animation area is like 0 to 100% of my this animation I want, right? So it keeps moving, right? Since I'm here, it keeps moving. As you can see, it keeps moving. You can make it smoother by adding your third-party libraries right to your page. Let's say the Lenny's library you can use to make to add the smooth transition of your page. If someone is scrolling, your page scrolls smoothly, right? So it's very easy and simple. You can try it to your client's project or your personal project, and if you are going to do that, please share the link with me in the comment box so that I can see your animations. All right, bye.